वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। आई एम डॉक्टर सुधीर खेतावत। कल से 3 दिवसीय दोपहर को 2 से 4 थ्री फिंगर टेक्निक पर वेबिनार का आयोजन किया है। इस वेबिनार में मैं अपने वर्षों के अनुभव के आधार पर थ्री फिंगर टेक्निक 90% मनोशारीरिक रोगों को दूर करने में कैसे सफल रही है, इसकी महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी दूंगा। 7 तारीख को कुछ रोगी अपना अनुभव शेयर करेंगे, किस प्रकार थ्री फिंगर टेक्निक सीखने के बाद उनको लाभ हुआ। मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि थ्री फिंगर टेक्निक न कुबेर मुद्रा है, न सिल्वा माइंड मेथड है। ये एक ऐसी विधि है जिस पे गत अनेक वर्षों से मैं कार्य कर रहा हूँ। इस विधि द्वारा हम अपने इनर माइंड से संपर्क स्थापित करके हमारे शरीर के रोगों को सफलतापूर्वक स्वयं दूर कर सकते हैं। The inner mind can best be influenced when you are in a relaxed state. Now, it is very important how one can achieve a relaxed state of mind. It is a trigger mechanism to have alpha level. When you get alpha level, when you achieve thoughtless condition in depth of silence, an idea tends to realize itself when attention is focused on it. The most important is law of concentrated attention. Strong desires add to our expectation. The law of reverse effect work in three finger technique. The harder you try to accomplish, the more difficult it is to obtain. In three finger technique, you can have voluntary control on involuntary processes of the body. You can develop communication with your inner systems. You can communicate with your diseased organ. You can have regeneration of cells inside the body. You can influence chromosomes. You can have neurogenesis. You can have neuroplasticity using three finger technique. It's very simple. It's very ordinary, but with extraordinary effects. The moment you bring thumb near your both the fingers, which represents your body, thumb represents your mind. Now, if mind can influence the inner system, you can overcome, you can reverse your diabetes. Many have reversed their diabetes. The most important is law of dominating effect. A suggestion accomplished with a strong emotion. The strength of the suggestion is enhanced. Now concentrate on one goal at a time when you use three finger technique. TFT, three finger technique, conditioning by fractionation. Fractionation is important in three finger technique. And it is my open challenge. Nobody in the world can develop communication with the diseased organ for a reversal of kidney problem or for a reversal of diabetes. So, I want everybody to be benefited by my years of experience, by knowing the secret behind three finger technique to overcome 80% psychosomatic diseases, and if I can help you, my research, my invention will be successful. Thank you very much.